Hello friends, this is Sabnad MTC on YouTube channel and TikTok, Sabnad MTC. Thank you for supporting Sabnad MTC on YouTube channel and TikTok. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for sharing. Thank you, and your comments. So today we are going to study about the simple interest. The question is here. A man deposited savings 40,000 for 5 years at a simple interest rate of 2% per year. Calculate his simple interest. So simple interest solution. Simple interest. Let us use simple interest. Yes, simple interest is equal to principal times rent out of 100 times time. Time is the period. Principal is the money you deposited. Rate is the percentage they're going to give you on that money. Times the period is going to take. 5 years, or 2 years, or 1 year, or 6 months. That is it. That is time. This is rent. Rent times time that is it. This is the formula of finding simple interest. SI means simple interest. SE represent simple and I represent interest. So we're going to go with this formula and calculate the simple interest they need. Simple interest is equal to principal, which is P, times rent out of 100 times time. Now here, these things of time. When it is a half year, you have to put out of 12. When the question is in 5 months, you have to put here out of 12. So this is 5 years. So you can put here out of 12. But if it was 5 or 4 years or 5, if it was like 4 months or 5 months, I have to put out of 12 divided by 12. So simple interest is equal to principal, which is 40,000, times rent, which is 2%, 2 out of 100, times time, which is 5 years. You come here, you can start multiplying here. You can make these numbers, all of them, to be fraction for instant multiplication. So you cancel here 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 2 0 and here 2 0. We remain with the simple interest is equal to 400 times 2 times 5. You come here, simple interest is equal to 400 times 2 times 5. Here 5 times 2 you get 10. 10 times 400 you get 4,000. Therefore, simple interest is equal to 4,000. This is the interest of this money. 40,000, you earn 4,000. As simple as that. This is how to solve simple interest. In the previous, we saw how to calculate the simple interest. So we are going to calculate the total amount. What is total amount? Total amount we need because this is the money he deposited. After 5 years, he earned a simple interest of 4,000, as we saw in the simple interest calculation. So how much in total did he got after 5 years? So you're going to get this one plus the simple interest. Let us see how to calculate this. Solution. So you have here simple interest. It was 4,000. That is simple interest. So you're solving total amount. Total amount, which means we are going to add this one, this principal plus 4,000. That is total amount called principal. So principal, simple interest you have. So principal is equal to 40,000. So they need the amount, total amount. Total amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal plus simple interest. This is the total amount. Principal plus simple interest. That's how you're going to get the total amount of money he got after 5 years, because he deposited 40,000. After the 5 years, the period of 5 years, he earned the simple interest of 4,000. So how much total did he get after 5 years? You get total amount. You get total amount equals principal plus simple interest. So we come here and we say total amount. That's the wrap up this side. Simple interest. Total amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. So total amount is equal to principal, which is 40,000, plus simple interest, which is 4,000. Like this. We add and we get the total. This is very simple. After all, we come here. Therefore, total amount is equal to 40 plus 4,000. That is 44,000. 44,000. That is the total amount he earned after 5 years. As simple as that. That's how we calculate the total amount of money. You get the principal plus the simple interest. Principal is the money you deposited. Simple interest is the money, the interest you earn. As simple as that. Let me see you in the next lesson. Thank you for supporting Sabina the MTC on YouTube channel and TikTok, Sabina the MTC. See you in the next lesson. Bye.